Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, will be organizing a series of mass awareness campaigns to understand the nature of the ongoing conflict in Manipur starting from April 17 to 30. Speaking to media in this regard at its office in Imphal, convener of Cocomi, Kuraitum Athoba, said Centre is yet to take any significant step to end the ongoing conflict in Manipur, which was started by Chin Kuki narco-terrorists in May 3, 2023. People of Manipur have pointed out on the key issues which are preventing the end of the conflict. However, Centre has not acted on the issue. While taking strong opposition against a Union Home Minister Amit Shah's statement in the parliament, where he insisted that the crisis in Manipur is an ethnic conflict and it has nothing to do with terrorism and religion, Kuraitum Athoba said the statement by Amit Shah is an attempt by Centre to free itself from the crisis. Speaking further, Athoba maintained that people need to understand the true nature and aspects of the conflict, and therefore the mass awareness campaign is being organized to address this issue and to make people understand about the conflict.
Manipuri micham miyamdi irang asi loisan haning bana khoro khotana tumba chaba bamen taduna miyam sina awam sa khangnaraba matam asida irang asi loisan nanabagi thabak amta paikhalakaba amadi miyam da chamam naraga leriba sing asi ekomase wakhal taminara kanda chap chaba wakhal midyeng amada punna leminaba ngamnanaba honarakpagi saruk ama oina India government gi side tagi hoji phawda chap chaba masigi masak thokpa thaba amta paikhalakaba sina maram oira kanda koi Manipur miyamna paktaknana issue asi khangba ngamnanaba honarakpada miyamgi mifam Pangthokpa haidana aikoigi adumlaba mass awareness campaign on 2 years of Manipur crisis haiba sigi topic sigi theme sigi makhada lekai singna mifam asi prilgi tang kunthra phaw sigi manungda hayengdagi horaga sinbiyu haiba wafam asi Cocomi site gi leba miyamda appeal tawjari thoiba irang asigi pachangoiba maruoiba khudam changdam yauna eningai leitraba chenbe yaroidaba wafam sing aduda India government si irang asida kamaina chenai moina lawgadaba thodangna karino moigi tawum thoba thabakna karino tawbuna tawrina karino tawredabuna karino haiba sing asi ekoi punna khangminnara kanda hairu potsing asi sahi ani si phajilakpaga loinana miyamgi oiba chap chaba apunba phireba ma lahobu ngamnana bai khoi honaminabagi tangai phadaba lei